exist and what's the purpose of cybersecurity. This is important to understand because it's very easy to get lost in cybersecurity, to get buried in the day-to-day, the grind and stress of stopping adversaries, chasing them through the cyber kill chain. We need to step back and see the bigger picture. We need to understand the purpose of this industry. Physics, philosophy, and other fields have a first principles approach. What is the bedrock that everything is built on? What is the first principle of cybersecurity? The purpose of cybersecurity, as understood by Rick Howard, is to reduce the probability of material impact due to a cyber event over the next 3 years. That's it. That's the whole purpose of cybersecurity. Everything we do in this field, from the SOC analysts to the security engineers to the GRC team, the CISOs, the DFIR team, pen testers, etc., is to help reduce the probability of a material impact on an organization. This is the ultimate purpose of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity came about in response to the building of poor systems. Systems that were not designed with any kind of security in mind. There's no resiliency, no robustness, no redundancy. These systems are being attacked. Because poor systems exist, we now have to go back and fix all these systems, make them secure, make them resilient, and make them stronger. Furthermore, all future systems need to be built with cyber-informed engineering principles. Carl Landwehr from the Association for Computing Machinery says this about cybersecurity, quote, "This whole economic boom in cybersecurity seems largely to be a consequence of poor engineering," end quote. In a CrowdStrike press release back in 2022, they state the following: visibility is one of the foundational principles of cybersecurity because you cannot secure and defend the assets you don't know exist. There's no doubt this is important, and very few organizations have full visibility. But is this really the bedrock that cybersecurity rests on? Simply gaining visibility? If we gain more visibility, does this in turn translate to reducing the probability of an attack? Gaining visibility is something that sits on top of the more fundamental principle of reducing the probability of an attack. All activity in the cybersecurity industry falls back to this fundamental truth. Keeping the big picture in mind when we're knee-deep in event logs or following an adversary through the cyber kill chain can help us understand the industry's purpose. Thank you for watching this short video. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.